What's up, friends? It's Minny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be unboxing NUNI Torres Nail Starter Kit. The kit was $69.99, the shipping was fast, and the customer service was great. And the packaging was cute. Okay, quick little story time before we start. A couple days after I made my order, I received a text from the brand leader and he was just explaining to me that they were out of stock on the primer and the gel top coat that was supposed to come inside of the starter kit. And so they will offer me 2 glitter acrylics or I can get my refund. I decided to go with the glitter acrylics because I've always wanted to try the glitter acrylics from NUNI Torres. I've been following him on Instagram for a while and I always just like dreamed of having those glitter acrylics. So of course I took those. I said yes and then they responded, "Thank you for understanding." And I thought that was really great customer service. And here is a screenshot of his Instagram page if you would like to visit his website and order any of his products. Everything that came in the kit is here. First, I'm going to start off with the acrylic. One thing I will say is that the packaging is great because the cap is sealed to the bottom part. So there's no way that this can get open and spill out during the shipping process. The first one I'm going to show you is a glitter acrylic. It is called Swamp and it's this really pretty dark green glitter mixture and it has little tiny hexagon and circle glitter shapes. The next one is called Pumpkin and it is a true burnt orange pumpkin color. And I really love this color because you can use this color in the spring and in the fall. The next one is a glitter acrylic. It is called Fuego and it is a yellow, red, oranges color and it has a hexagon and diamond little shapes inside. It's so pretty. And then we have this pretty blue color. The next glitter acrylic is called Trophy and it has this champagne glitter color. And this one has a little bit more finer glitter pieces inside, but the color is so pretty. And the last one I have to show you is called 24K. It is a glitter acrylic and it is a money green color. To me, this one screams, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." Also in the kit, I got 2 different nail files. I really love the thicker one. When your filing is so much more comfortable on the hands, like when you're gripping that nail file, you want to have some cushion there. And then I also have this DVD. I'm so excited about this DVD. I think this is so neat and such a cool idea, and it's perfect for a starter kit. So if you want to start off doing nails, this is a great beginner kit. And NUNI Torres also has other volumes where you can learn other techniques, and it has like a little supply list of everything you'll need. while you're learning. The starter kit also came with nail tips. I didn't know that he had nail tips before, but in the starter kit you get 100 nail tips and they are white. I'm not really a fan of white tips, but I'm definitely a fan of how these look. Like, I really like the way these nail tips look. And they're pretty sturdy, they're not flimsy. I can definitely build acrylic up on these nail tips, and they also shape my nail beds. I think they'll shape everybody's nail beds pretty decently. So they're white, but they might be alright. The next thing I'm going to show you is the reason why I bought the starter kit. This coffee scented acrylic monomer. Let's talk about it. So first off, the packaging is really cute. It's very sleek and professional, and I love that it has the non-MMA sign on it. And it also says it's non-yellowing and self-leveling, so I'm definitely excited about that part. And of course, while unboxing, I had to sniff the monomer and see if it truly smelled like coffee. And it has a little scent of coffee beans, like a little natural scent of coffee. It's not very overpowering, but another thing is the monomer is not like, the scent is not loud and very strong. So it smells very good. I love this monomer. I cannot wait to use it. I will be using this monomer in another video, and I will be showing you swatches of the acrylics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and of course do not forget to subscribe. And if you would like to see more unboxing videos on different kits, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.